Hey loves, it's Chellbee, and if this is your first time here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You know I love you. Today I am sharing another studio vlog, sharing the behind the scenes of the Chellbee shop, which is my Christian stationery shop. I have an Etsy shop, and it is most of my items are listed on Etsy, but I also have some of my shop items listed on my website at www.chellbee.com. In today's studio vlog, we are going to be showing you the behind the scenes of creating the kids scripture cards. So I hope you guys enjoy this behind the scenes look into creating the kids scripture cards with my daughter. All right, let's hop right into it. So today's studio vlog is actually starting off a little bit different. I figured I would show you guys a little bit of real life. And of course I had to show you guys watering my plants. I am just trying to semi-become a plant lady. My first house plant did not turn out so well. I mean, it's not dead, let's be clear. But I put it outside, and I basically have just left it outside because it was just turning so brown. It was not enough sun in the house for the type of plant that it is. So yeah, that wasn't so happy, but this aloe plant has been great, and it's, you know, we get plenty of sun at the height that the aloe plant is in, so it's worked out, and it looks nice, and it's thriving, and I just love the little pot. And I also got a succulent, but that was not in that video. Anyways, so you also see me today actually going ahead and recording a voiceover. So usually when I do videos lately, especially whether it be a studio vlog or like Bible study with me videos, I've been doing voiceovers. I've been having like just fun with trying new types of videos. I usually would sit in front of the camera and talk to you guys, but I've been trying to kind of mix it up and try just some different ways of recording the content that I like to share, which are usually Bible study tip videos, Bible study with me videos, and now here lately sharing behind the scenes of, you know, my shop, my stationery shop. So that is what you see me doing there. What you also see me doing is using my favorite machine, the cutting machine. So I'm cutting out some freebie stickers. So I always try to include a freebie with every order, depending on the size of the order. Sometimes I'll do like, I don't want to call them misprints, but like, you know, say I have to print a set of 3 bookmarks and I might actually have to print 4 because of the size of the bookmarks. I'll take that extra 4th bookmark that's not included in the set, and I'll, you know, give that to someone who has a larger order. So that's usually what I do in terms of freebies. I always try to offer some type of freebie. For smaller orders, it's usually the praising God even if stickers, and then like I said, if it's a larger order, then I try to use, you know, just things that didn't go into an order but is in good condition and could be sold. on to the fun part of today's video. So, and this is like been my favorite part of editing. It's just seeing the process and like watching us work together. So here you'll just see me and Rose kind of at the computer, and of course Cadence in hand. You see us at the computer. I was showing her like different images based on what she told me. So she really wanted the cards to have insects on it, and she's very decisive. I love it. But she was very clear that she wanted butterflies, she wanted ladybugs, and then she also wanted a grasshopper. So she was very clear that she wanted insects in the scripture cards. So I was showing her different clip arts, kind of trying to get an idea of what she liked, what she thought was cute. I ended up finding something that worked and had all the images that she wanted, and so that was really fun finding the images together. So the main things that we did differently with this scripture card set versus the Who God Says You Are set is we went ahead and, well, I went ahead and reduced it down to 10 cards. Wanted to make it something. I basically took the affirmations that I felt were the easiest to say, and then I said them with Rose and made sure it was easy for her to say, and something that, you know, was short and simple. And then I also went ahead and made the Bible verse section, the scripture sections that's on the back of the card. I went ahead and made those scriptures shorter. So obviously I don't want to change the scriptures, but just condensing it down to something where, you know, it's still understandable. They still understand what the purpose of that scripture is and what it's saying, but it's something that is easy for a parent to read with their child or to their child. So those are the things that I did to make this set kid friendly. And then once I was done with designing and editing everything, we went ahead and took some photos. So as you can see, I have her little hands in there and my hand in there. I did go ahead and make like a mommy and me. I mean, I'm calling that because, you know, that's what we are, but of course you could use it for your son as well. But I did go ahead and make a set that is a bundle that you could purchase the two together. So I did want to go ahead and take photos for that, and I of course wanted to include her in that, and I used her toys in that setup as well. So it all came out really good, and I was really excited about the final product. She was too. She was really happy with the pictures. And so yeah, it was super exciting, super happy that it was something that we could do together. And I just, you know, pray that people that it is well received, because there was a lot of love put into it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I am going to stop rambling. I've taken up enough of your time for today. I hope you guys stay safe and be blessed, and until next time, bye.
Subscribe to my mommy channel. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.